Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying out another crochet kit from Temu. This one actually is in a set of three. I bought three from the same exact seller. So the other two you'll see in future videos, but this one we're starting with. And the reason we're starting with this one is because it's the most realistic. A lot of these kits I'm testing are amigurumi, but this time I found this super cute striped crochet bag pattern and I just really liked the look of it. It was from a seller that has some very questionable patterns that look very AI, so I was interested to try this because there's nothing weird, nothing suspicious, no super red flags. I just thought it was really cute. It has these pretty stripes and then really thick handles that almost look like an I-cord, so I wanted to see what that's made out of, if it comes with thicker yarn, because there is no material list. So that was one suspect item. It didn't show me what materials are coming with this, so that will be a surprise for all of us. But it's supposed to come with a pattern and the yarn and all the good stuff, so we'll see what we actually get. So I'm taking a chance on this because I liked the design. So we're gonna open this one up, see what materials they send, and check if it's actually something you could make and use in real life, or if it got scammed again. And then after this, we're gonna head back into some amigurumi territory, and let's just say the next two kits get progressively more questionable. One looks a little too perfectly posed, and the last one just looks straight up AI generated. So we'll ease in with this normal one first. But before we get started, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss out on the ones that are coming up. All right, let's go see what we actually got in this kit. They've got some strong vacuums wherever these are coming from. So I'm very worried. This is the bag yarn, and that bag looks really big, and this doesn't. But what's even funnier, number 6, DIY. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other videos. Let's open this up and see what we get. It's expanding. Okay. So these are all different sellers. Like if you saw the last two videos, the cow and the cat, those were from a different seller. However, the way that this looks is identical to those. So either it's like somebody, like a drop ship kind of thing, like you could buy these and then resell them, because there's like a lot of these have multiple listings. So I don't know if this DIY guy, this booklet person, is creating all of these and then selling them to other people to resell, and that's what we're getting. But like this says step-by-step PDF and tutorial video. So we'll see as I look at these tutorials and the PDFs. Do they look similar? Are these all coming from the same place, but different people are selling them? They're right, you know, as long as you're giving me what I ordered. I am highly suspicious because that bag is the size of the woman's torso. That means it's a big bag. That's a lot of yarn, and it looks thick. It looks like at least a worsted weight. I am gonna say maybe worsted, more like DK. This is looking kind of thin. And I don't think I have a lot of yardage. Like, I don't, like, especially the darker, like, I thought it was blue, but this looks like kind of gray. I don't know. This is gonna be interesting. The hook is going to be the deciding factor. What size hook did they give me for this yarn? It better not be a 2.5. Watch my other videos about the 2.5. Okay, so as usual, safety eyes. It's almost comical at this point. These are totally different sellers. They had totally different items. Like this stuff was not on the other seller, and that seller's items were not on this seller. So I'm so flabbergasted that I keep getting the same stuff. And the hook, the hook. I can't even open it. Take one guess what size that is. I'll give you two guesses, but you're only gonna need one. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna eat my words. It's a 3 millimeter. How are we getting that size bag with a 3 millimeter hook? This is not amigurumi. This bag is gonna be tiny. I already know it. I am mad. I am truly, truly. I'm like, this is the easiest one. This is like nothing AI about it, but you can't give me the yarn that I'm gonna need. Maybe it's gonna work out. I highly doubt it, just from experience. But as you know, I'm still gonna try. I'm still gonna give it a go and see what we turn out with. It might be the cutest little tiny tote bag that you ever did see, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'm not putting eyeballs on it. The eyes are going into the pile with the other eyes. Stick around and see what happens. Okay, here is a reminder of what the finished bag should look like. And here's what I made. Like, I'm sorry, what is this? So, according to the video tutorial that I was pointed to, the finished bag is supposed to be 24 to 26 centimeters, which is roughly 9.5 by 10, like quarter inches. And they literally show an iPad fitting inside. This is not that. This is 7 inches wide by 8 inches tall, and I may be able to fit an iPad mini in here. So yes, visually, the stitch pattern is actually really similar. The stripes look right, the texture looks right, but the size is so off from what was shown in the Temu listing. The listing makes it look like a full-on shoulder bag, not this little pouch situation. So that leads me to the actual pattern. There is no written pattern. The QR code on the kit says download the pattern, but it just takes you to a video tutorial, which, to be fair, does walk you through everything step by step, but with no talking, just visuals. But still, that wording is misleading. If you're brand new to crochet, it would probably be not enough for you to be able to make the bag yourself. The video itself says in font on the screen to use 4-ply yarn and a 3 millimeter hook. And I love that in this day and age we still use 4-ply as a weight, even though just about any weight yarn can be 4 plies of yarn, which, to be fair, the yarn they sent was 4-ply. How do I know? Because it kept splitting while I was crocheting. But nothing with that yarn would get me to what the Temu pictures were showing. I literally could not get my hook into the stitches cleanly for the strap section, so I had to double the yarn up just to make it workable. And even then, it was really slow going. That said, I did learn a new stitch. It's a very cool variation of an I-cord, and I really do like that. I'm pretty sure the original bag, though, used some kind of I-cord, but this version, it still looks nice, and I think the doubling up helped. So technique-wise, not a total loss. But overall, my honest thought is that someone found this tutorial online, grabbed similar colored yarn, threw it in a kit, and sold it to me, and didn't really think through what the final result would actually be with the materials they included. And it would have been super simple for them to say, double up your yarn. That hook definitely wouldn't have worked if we did that though, but I had so much yarn left over. Like, I definitely could have doubled up and probably gotten a bigger bag with a larger hook. And yes, I did get a bag, but I did not get that bag. And that's the problem. I shouldn't have to go out and buy bigger yarn and a larger hook just to recreate what was advertised. At this point, what did I even buy the kit for? So, final thoughts. I do like the design. If I remade this with thicker yarn and the correct size hook, it could actually be really cute and functional. But this one, I guess I'll use it as a purse insert or something. So Scamameter rating, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5 because technically I got yarn and a tutorial, but I still didn't get to produce what was shown. And that's the whole point. But what do you think? Do you like what I made, even though it's not as big as what was promised? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, until next time, I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.